Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a universal keyboard. First, understand that a universal keyboard lets you manage several devices, like your computer, tablet, and phone, all from one keyboard. This means you can type on your desktop, then instantly switch to reply to a text on your phone without ever changing keyboards. It's designed for maximum convenience and efficiency, saving you time and desk space. Setting up your universal keyboard is quite straightforward. Most models connect wirelessly, either through Bluetooth or a small USB receiver. To pair, simply put your keyboard into pairing mode, usually by holding a function key, and then select it on your device's Bluetooth settings. Many keyboards allow you to pair with up to 3 or 4 different devices, making switching between them incredibly simple. Universal keyboards come packed with features to enhance your productivity. A standout feature is the ability to instantly switch between your paired devices using dedicated hotkeys, often labeled 1, 2, or 3. Some keyboards also offer customizable keys, allowing you to assign specific functions or shortcuts that you use most frequently. This personalization helps streamline your daily tasks and makes your workflow much smoother. To get the most out of your universal keyboard, here are a few tips. Always ensure your keyboard and connected devices are within the recommended operating range, typically around 10 meters, for a stable connection. Remember to regularly check and replace batteries or recharge if it's a rechargeable model to prevent any sudden interruptions. Keeping your keyboard clean will also ensure its longevity and consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.